Hello all. Our project is face detection and recognition for automatic attendance system using artificial intelligence. My batchmates are Amuthuthamil, Gayathri and myself Indrani. Our project is guided by Dr. VP Kolanjinathan. Let's get into the project. As we all know, attendance system is essential in all learning institutes for checking the performance of the students. In most of the learning institutes, attendance is physically taken by using attendance sheets. Later on, they are updated manually in a PC. This technique is repetitive, tedious, and wrong as some students regularly sign for their absent colleagues. And also, this makes it hard to track the attendance of individual in a huge classroom environment. This method consumes more time and also there are chances of occurring errors. To overcome these issues, we propose a plan and utilization of face detection and recognition to consequently recognize students going to address in the classroom and stamp their attendance by perceiving their faces. This facial biometric framework consists of an enrollment procedure in which the features of the students' faces will be put away in a database. And then, while marking the attendance, the recognized faces will be contrasted and compared to the database. Once when the data matches, the attendance is marked. Let's see our project in detail.
We propose the plan and utilization of a face detection and recognition framework to consequently recognize students going to address in a classroom and stamp their attendances by perceiving their faces. The process is somewhat complex. Face detection algorithms often begin by searching for human eyes. Eyes constitute what is known as a valley region and are one of the easiest features detected. Once eyes are detected, the algorithm might then attempt to detect facial regions including eyebrows, the mouth, nose, nostrils, and the iris. Once the algorithm summarizes that it has detected a facial region, it can then apply additional tests to validate whether it has, in fact, detected a face. In this process, collection of training dataset for facial features analysis is being started and development of model is being processed. The first model will dig up whether there is a face or not and determine its location on the photo model. A second model will calculate the facial parameters, distance between the eyes, shape of the chin. Third, we save this so-called encoded data by linking them to a name so that they can be compared with a future picture. And next, then we give a new nameless photo and the same process will be repeated except that this time a third model will compare the parameters of the face with those it already knows. Here we are first opening our user interface, that is the front end. This is how our front end looks. Here, we first step is to train the images by entering our name and our roll number or ID. Then we have to click Take Images. After the Take Images button is clicked, the camera starts and begin to take the images. The camera takes 60 images of a person and stores in its database. After clicking the train images, to mark the attendance, Track Images button is being clicked. Then the camera ons and captures the person's facial features, and compares it with already known databases. Then gives his or her name and ID number given already in training module. After tracking of the image happens, that is the face is recognized, the attendance is being marked with the help of spreadsheet. After clicking the button Q, the spreadsheet records with the proper time and date of the face recognized. Attendance system proved to recognize images in different angles and light conditions. The faces which are not in our training dataset are marked as unknown. The attendance of recognized images of students is marked in real time and imported to Excel sheet and saved by the system automatically. Advantages of our project. It simplifies the tedious and time-consuming manual attendance processes, reduces the manual errors, cancels the malpractice involved in attendance, automated time tracking system cost effective, and increased security. Thank you.